DJ Casanya, who plays for AAP, of course, and Isay plays for Chris Cross. Campton shoots and delivers. 2-point lead by Power, and Campton now has his first point. Kinukulitan niya si Campton kanina, no? Gulo-gulo niya.
Sabi nga niya, mag-5 sets ba tayo? Popoy Colinares, we will show it to you. Yan!
It is the premier.
Premier point. We're bringing the hearts of volleyball directly to Candon City.
So
That
pag,
means
so pag na-score, 2
2
points.
points.
Okay.
Walang 2 points sa volleyball, pero sa All-Stars meron.
Pagka nagkamali itong nakapula, 2 points pupunta sa kabila.
And the ball is also different. Yun lang.
Ayun.
Nag-backfire.
Ayun.
So,
Yung 2 points pupunta doon sa kabila.
2 points will be awarded to Team Power.
Fun, ano? Parang 4-point shot ng basketball. Okay,
Lalo
sige.
na pag naghahabol ka, you can call
naman,
on that premier
How many can
point.
you call?
Only 1%.
Only one. Okay, so we get point na sa... Oh, sila rin!
Sila din.
rin! Gusto ko umuwi na maaga nito mga to, oh. Okay.
It's going to be worth 2 points.
Diba si Villados, tawa ng tawa. Yeah, total naman fun game eh, no? Ayan, tingnan natin. Nako! They want to score! It's still in play. It's kept alive. De La Noche digs it over. A chance to set. Villados, Campton! Oh, yes, sir! 2 points!
Thank you for the 4 points. Team Passion.
And Campton went over to Coach Stein. You like that, Coach? You like that?
That's the way to speed things up.
Oh, nga, no? And all of a sudden, it's when the serve. Received by Ramirez. The setup job. In the corner, Campton. Bakit ikaw ang pinag-iinitan niya?
Favorite ako niyan.
Oo nga, nalata ko kanina. You know what's happening? It taps the net, rather. Back row. Oh, yes, sir!
Pag ganyan-ganyan lang si Noel, 5 sets, but deep inside, he wants to win it in 3 sets.
Nangasar lang yan eh. The activities is been also at our hotel. Oh, yes, sir! Campton.
Now with 9 points, he is the leading scorer for his squad. Palakpak na lang si Coach. Say your queen.
I'll kill him later.
Set number 4 and set number 5, anything goes.
Oo. Everybody, bahala ka na, diskarte na, no? Ronquillo. Calado spinning around. Ooh, big shot being handled off Gopiteo. This one will stay down. Campton takes care of point number 10.
First turn double digits for Team Power. So dalawa na sila. Ni Mark Calado. Coach, this is your system.
You know.
Oh!
Chest pickup. Still legal. Oh! Red hot counter by Power.
Well, Campton with 11 points. Only player in double digits for Team Power.
This started with the chest thump of Kim Malabunga.
Na-interrupt yung kain niya ng popcorn sa gilid. Tinawag siya ni Coach Sidney na pwedeng gamitin.
Tingnan natin sino gagamit doon. Ooh, Jude Garcia's shot. Marmeto was right there. Gupiteo picked up downstairs by Josafat. This is blocked out. And naman si Campton, nangaasar pa. What's tayo? Yeah, let's try to win, but let's also have fun. Guasa, no entry. Recycled offense. Gupiteo kept in play by Lorenzo Campton. Oh! Nangaasar pa eh, no?
Kailang natutuwa naman si Coach.
13 points. And Anima will come in for Campton. Can they do it right here? Right there! And we are done! And we are done indeed. Team Power emerging victorious in 4 sets.
Well played.
Siyempre, magkakakampi, magkakaibigan, and quite an experience to be part of it, of course. Okay, win by Team Power in 4. We shall...
Our champions of our Spikers Turf All-Star Game. Siyempre, tawagin muna natin. Palakpakan nyo naman, Candon City Arena, our All-Star MVP in the name of Noel Capton. Okay, sige, congratulations, Noel. Ano naman ang pakiramdam sa first All-Star Game? Sabi mo nga, di ba? Para tayong ibang level na ng men's volleyball.
Hello guys. Happy ako kasi nagkaroon kami ng chance sa Spikers Turf and sa Candon City. Nagulat nga ako, sabi ko, ang ganda talaga ng arena dito and hopefully makabalik pa ulit kami. And thank you po ulit talaga. Thank you po.
And also, one last question. What do you think was your winning factor, especially today? You were under Coach Sidney Calderon.
Sabi ko nga po kay Coach Sidney, Coach, gusto ko talunin si Coach Tay. Ang gusto naman na Coach Cindy is ibigay yung quality volleyball sa Candon para sulit yung pagnonood ng mga tao dito. And sana nabigay po namin talaga yun.
Okay, and of course, one last message here to the fans watching live here in Candon City Arena.
Candon, di ko kayo naririnig eh. Isang palakpak naman dyan! Thank you po sa sumuporta sa amin, Team Passion, Team Power. And hopefully, dito maulit and we would like to come back talaga dito kasi maganda sa Candon talaga. And hopefully, sana po Spikers Turf mag-host ulit sa Candon. Yun, thank you po ulit, thank you po.
And there you have it. And of course, meron tayong trophy to award. The finals MVP trophy. Of course, we have Mr. Miko Halili, Head of Sports Content, for Signal to award the trophy. And there you have it. Palakpakan naman natin ang Team Power! And there you have it, the champions of our Spikers Turf All-Star Game. Of course, don't go away because when we return, we also have our PBL All-Star Showcase.